Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts standard 11 part 1. Last video I taught the overall idea about the trial balance and I had given my own example from top to bottom, means from journal to trial balance. Most of the students, they do not know that they are getting the balance from the book, and from that balance they are doing the trial balance. But how balance comes from where? It started from the journal, business transactions, then journal you are doing the ledger chapter already I told you before that, and you are finding out the balance, and that taking the balance, after taking the balance from the ledger you are doing the trial balance, like that one example I have shown. Now, like that question you will not get, you will get the balance. Page number 253, according to your textbook, the illustration 2, how it is given, you follow it. The following balance are extracted from the books of Indar. From this, prepare a trial balance as on 31st 3/15. What is this? This is the account and this is the amount. These are the account. From where did you get? These are the account we got from the ledger posting. You open the capital account, you open the drawing account, you open the debtors account, you open the opening stock account, purchase account. And why you have opened this capital account? Because you have passed the journal entries, their capital account was there. That means these are the account you got from the ledger, and ledger, whenever you open that account you got from the journal, and journal you got from the business transactions. So you made the business transaction, from that journal entry made, and from the journal entry you made the posting, and from that posting you got the balance of the ledger, and from that ledger you got that. These are the balance you got. But nowhere it is written whether it is given the capital account is debit balance, or drawings account is credit balance, or debtors account is debit, or creditors account is debit. Credit balance it is not. Which said BD balance, it is not given in your question. By reading this question you have to take the decision whether it is a debit balance or it is a credit balance. Several times I told you, some of the accounts it comes always debit balance, some of the accounts it comes always credit balance. You have to keep it in mind. Some of the accounts it comes always debit, it never comes credit balance, and some of the accounts it is always credit, it never comes debit balance. Some of the accounts it may come debit, it may come credit. There it will be mentioned whether it is a debit balance or it is a credit balance. Now capital account it is given 2,10,400. Nowhere it is mentioned it is a BD came in debit side or credit side, because I know that one, the capital account is a credit balance, it comes always credit. Similarly, drawings account is always debit balance, it comes always debit. I told several times to you, most of the accounts you will find out the one is opposite of other. One account is how you will identify, but if you know one is opposite of other, and out of these two if you know one account either it is a debit or credit, then easily you can identify the another account. Just example I can tell you, capital account and drawing account is the reverse. कैपिटल जो साइड में जाएगा ड्राइंग उल्टा साइड में जाएगा, कैपिटल क्रेडिट होगा तो ड्राइंग ऑलवेज डेबिट. सो ड्राइंग्स एंड कैपिटल इज द रिवर्स साइकिल. डेटर्स एंड क्रेडिटर्स इज द रिवर्स. कैश is always debit balance. Assets you have to remember, all the assets, it is land, building, furniture, machineries, all debtors, all assets is always debit. Generally all liabilities are always credit. All expense account, if it is expense, salary, wages, electric bill, rent paid, commission paid, expense or loss, bad debt, depreciation, expense loss, it is always debit. Income and gains, it is always credit. If goods is taken out from the business, that it is credit. Loss is always debit, gain is always credit. How I am telling the loss debit and gains credit? Because I know that one loss and gains are reverse, opposite. Similarly, The purchase account is always debit, sales account is always credit, but carriage inward and carriage outward don't make it a reverse. Carriage inward debit and carriage outward credit, that you don't say, because carriage inward and carriage outward both are expense. It is not the opposite account. Both are debit. Carriage inward also debit and carriage outward also debit. Carriage inward means, you know, the goods whenever you are bringing, raw material whenever you are bringing, that is called the bringing cost for the raw material is called carriage inward, and sending finished goods cost, carrying cost is called carriage outward. आपको ये आइडिया रखना है, सम ऑफ द अकाउंट्स इज वन अकाउंट इज रिवर्स ऑफ अनदर अकाउंट. जो जैसे बैंक अकाउंट एंड बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट बोथ आर नॉट सेम. ओनली बैंक अकाउंट इज द डेबिट बैलेंस, बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट इज द क्रेडिट बैलेंस. ये आइडिया हमको एक दो इलास्ट्रेशन इफ आई डू द रिमेनिंग इलास्ट्रेशन ऑलमोस्ट यू विल फाइंड आउट इजी. सो बाई हाउ आई एम थिंकिंग without seeing the answer, I can say capital account credit, drawings account debit, debtors debit balance because debtors is your assets, creditors credit balance, cash debit balance, furniture assets for इसलिए debit, bank balance nothing is given. If overdraft is given then it is credit. If within bracket credit is written then it is credit. If only bank balance is given then it is debit. Commission received, this is not the debit side, this is not the credit side. This is name of the account is given, name of the account is given. You have to identify whether it is a debit balance or it is a credit balance. Commission received is your income, for that it is credit. Bank commissions is expense, for the debit. Electricity expense, expense for the debit. Wages expense for the debit. Salary expense for the debit. Goods destroyed by fire, goods destroyed by fire is a credit balance. If goods going out from the business for any purpose, that everything it will be credit. Keep it mind. When in which situation goods can go out? If you sell the goods, goods will go out. If goods destroyed by fire or goods stolen away, ये सब कारण से goods बाहर जा सकता है. Goods destroyed by fire is credit balance, but loss due to goods destroyed by fire, that is a different account. Keep it in mind. Goods destroyed by fire and loss due to goods destroyed by fire both are not the same account. Loss due to goods destroyed by fire is the loss account, it is a debit, and goods destroyed by fire, goods has gone from the business, so it is credit. 10% government securities assets, it is a debit. Opening stock assets debit. Purchase account is always debit, sales account is always credit. Purchase return, several times I told you, if purchase debit, purchase return will be opposite of purchase, so purchase return credit, sales return debit. Goods withdrawn for personal use credit. Bank loan credit. Discount allowed debit. Discount received credit. Carriage, which carriage is not mentioned, both carriage are expense, so it is expense is debit. Loss due to fire debit. Telephone expense also debit. Now turn the page, you will find out the answer which I said, that is correct only. Here it is given in your book. The personal account होगा, the drawings account and debtors. Real account cash furniture bank, ये सब डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट बैलेंस बोल दिया. नॉमिनल अकाउंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्सपेंस सैलरी. तो पर्सनल अकाउंट डेबिट कौन सा होगा? ड्राइंग्स अकाउंट एंड डेटर्स अकाउंट. रियल अकाउंट डेबिट कौन सा होगा? कैश फर्नीचर बैंक बैलेंस 10% गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज ओपनिंग स्टॉक परचेस सेल्स रिटर्न. नॉमिनल अकाउंट डेबिट कौन सा होगा? बैंक कमीशन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्सपेंस वेजेस सैलरी डिस्काउंट अलाउ कैरेज लॉस टेलीफोन एक्सपेंस. सिमिलरली क्रेडिट फॉर पर्सनल अकाउंट कैपिटल क्रेडिटर्स बैंक लोन. रियल अकाउंट क्रेडिट goods destroyed by fire. Sales account purchase return goods withdrawn for personal use, and nominal account commission received and discount received. Here is the answer which I said. Trial balance as on 31st/3/2015. Name of the account, LF column, no need to write anything. Debit side account balance, this is not total. Debit side account balance and credit side account balance. आई टोल्ड कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट, डेबिट में नहीं लिखना है. ड्राइंग्स डेबिट, डेटर्स डेबिट, क्रेडिटर्स क्रेडिट, कैश डेबिट, फर्नीचर डेबिट, बैंक डेबिट, कमीशन रिसीव क्रेडिट, बैंक कमीशन डेबिट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्सपेंस डेबिट, wages debit, salary debit, goods destroyed by fire credit, 10% government securities debit, openings of debit, purchase account debit, sales credit, purchase return credit, sales return debit, goods withdrawn for personal use credit, bank loan credit, discount allowed debit, discount received credit, carriage debit, loss due to fire debit, and telephone expense also will be debit, and the total you get 4,09,250, 4,09,250. This is the answer. Clear to you? You understand or not? I am sure if you do like that one or two illustrations, automatically you will be able to understand everything. This is a trial balance, same questions. This is one debit and credit column, and this is another format. Particulars columns, here you have done one, and two amount column we have done, but this is another format. Two particulars column we have drawn. One is debit side particulars column, we will wrote all debit account and debit amount, and credit side particulars column, all we wrote in credit account and credit amount. Like that also you can do. here हमने क्या किया था, particulars column एक ही जगह लिखा था, डेबिट में डेबिट लिखा था, क्रेडिट में क्रेडिट लिखा था. उसने क्या किया, दो साइड के किया, ये डेबिट साइड में लिखा डेबिट अकाउंट एंड क्रेडिट साइड में लिखा क्रेडिट अकाउंट. दिस इज द अनदर मेथड, यू कैन डू आइदर दिस और दैट, both are same thing. Third illustration you will try to do, I will not say, answer is given at back, question you will go through and you will try to do it, but चलो मैं एक बार बोल देता हूँ आपको. The trial balance are extended from the books of the Sri Amit on 31st/3/16. From this balance prepare the trial balance of Sri Amit. मैं को आपको जो बोला था, what I said to you, that will follow it. Assets डेबिट होगा, लाइबिलिटी क्रेडिट होगा, एक्सपेंस डेबिट होगा, इनकम क्रेडिट होगा, लॉस डेबिट होगा, गेन्स क्रेडिट होगा, ये याद रखना है. ओपनिंग कैपिटल क्रेडिट, बैंक बैलेंस डेबिट, टेलीफोन एक्सपेंस डेबिट, डेटर्स डेबिट, रेंट डेबिट, परचेस रिटर्न क्रेडिट, परचेस डेबिट, प्रोविडेंट फंड क्रेडिट. याद रखना है, यहाँ याद रखना है, प्रोविडेंट फंड इज क्रेडिट. मशीन्स एसेट्स डेबिट, क्रेडिटर्स क्रेडिट, संडे एक्सपेंस डेबिट, डिस्काउंट रिसीव क्रेडिट, बिल्स पेबल्स क्रेडिट, कमीशन रिसीव्स क्रेडिट, लोन फ्रॉम फ्रेंड्स क्रेडिट, ड्राइंग्स डेबिट, कैश बैलेंस डेबिट, सैलरी डेबिट, इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड क्रेडिट, सेल्स रिटर्न डेबिट, सेल्स क्रेडिट, प्रोविडेंट फंड कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस. प्रोविडेंट फंड का बारे में चार आएगा. वन ओनली प्रोविडेंट फंड, इट इज क्रेडिट. अनदर वन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन टू द प्रोविडेंट फंड, दैट इज डेबिट. इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ द प्रोविडेंट फंड आ सकता है, वो भी डेबिट. इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ द प्रोविडेंट फंड, वो क्रेडिट. वंस अगेन यू फॉलो, प्रोविडेंट फंड का रिलेटेड चार आएगा, प्रोविडेंट फंड, contribution to the provident fund, investment to the provident fund and interest from provident fund. इसका तो दो डेबिट है, दो क्रेडिट है. कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट डेबिट है, प्रोविडेंट फंड एंड इंटरेस्ट क्रेडिट है. लोन बोरोड क्रेडिट, स्टॉक ऑफ गुड्स डेबिट, एडवर्टाइजमेंट एक्सपेंस डेबिट, फर्नीचर एसेट्स डेबिट, डिस्काउंट अलाउड डेबिट, बिल्स रिसीवेबल डेबिट, बैड डेट डेबिट, एक्सपेंस आउटस्टैंडिंग क्रेडिट. एक्सपेंस डेबिट बट एक्सपेंस आउटस्टैंडिंग क्रेडिट होगा. देखो 8,000 एक्सपेंस आउटस्टैंडिंग इधर है. अंडरस्टैंड? रिमेनिंग इलास्ट्रेशन यू विल डू. आई विल एक्सप्लेन वन और टू क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम योर एक्सरसाइज. एक्सरसाइज से देखो, फॉलोइंग एट द balance it is given. Question number 5 of page number 261. Page number 261, question number 5. why it is debit and why it is credit, that I will tell you. I told assets होगा तो डेबिट होगा, एक्सपेंस होगा तो डेबिट होगा, लाइबिलिटी क्रेडिट होगा, इनकम क्रेडिट होगा, गेन्स क्रेडिट होगा, ये ध्यान रखना है, बाकी कुछ जरूरत नहीं है. फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग बैलेंस ऑफ अकाउंट्स प्रिपेयर द ट्रायल बैलेंस ऑफ श्री, क्या नाम है, ब्रिज मोहन एज ऑन 31/3/16. फॉर्मेट all of you know how to do the format. Opening stock assets debit, leasehold assets debit, sundry debtors assets debit, मतलब डेबिट कॉलम में लिखना है. फैक्ट्री एक्सपेंस फॉर द डेबिट, परचेस ऑलवेज डेबिट, फैक्ट्री रेंट एक्सपेंस फॉर द डेबिट, डिस्काउंट अलाउ इज लॉस डेबिट, सन्डे क्रेडिटर्स इज क्रेडिट बैलेंस है, डेटर्स इज डेबिट बैलेंस, सन्डे क्रेडिटर्स इज क्रेडिट बैलेंस. बैड डेट रिजर्व, ओनली बैड डेट इज लॉस, दैट इज डेबिट, बट बैड डेट रिजर्व इज क्रेडिट. कि याद रखना है, बैड डेट रिजर्व इज क्रेडिट बट ओनली बैड डेट इज डेबिट. कमीशन पेड एक्सपेंस डेबिट, ऑफिस एक्सपेंस डेबिट, ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपेंस डेबिट, बैंक बैलेंस डेबिट, लोन टेकन is credit. These are the expense. So expense is always debit. Bank balance, only bank balance is debit. बैंक बैलेंस का ब्रैकेट में क्रेडिट लिख के देगा तो क्रेडिट, नहीं तो नहीं होगा. नेट सेल्स इज क्रेडिट, ओनली सेल एंड नेट सेल बोथ आर क्रेडिट. क्लियर. प्लांट एंड मशीनरी एसेट्स फॉर द डेबिट, वेजेस एक्सपेंस फॉर द डेबिट, कैरेज इनवर्ड एक्सपेंस डेबिट, रॉयल्टी एक्सपेंस डेबिट, कैरेज आउटवर्ड also expense debit, capital credit, discount receive credit, insurance expense debit, commission receive income credit, bad debt loss debit, salary expense debit, legal expense debit, cash balance is always debit, and office rent is expense. For that, debit. ओ बाबा, ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन भी नहीं है. ये भी बोल दूँ. फोर्थ वन डेबिट क्रेडिट ही बोल रहा है. ओपनिंग स्टॉक डेबिट, वेजेस एक्सपेंस डेबिट, सेल्स क्रेडिट, रिपेयरिंग एक्सपेंस डेबिट, टैक्स डेबिट, लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग एसेट्स, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी एसेट्स बोथ आर डेबिट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी expense debit, capital credit, office salary expense debit, patent assets debit, bank balance assets debit, bank loan liability credit, carriage inward expense debit, purchase debit, carriage outward expense debit, debtors debit, cash balance debit, loose to lease assets it is debit, creditors credit, debtors debit होगा तो creditors credit होगा. Sun income credit, all incomes are credit. ऑफिस फर्नीचर डेबिट, गुडविल एज एसेट्स होगा तो डेबिट. 6 नंबर भी बोल दो. ऑल इफ आई से देन व्हाट यू विल डू, यू ट्राई. चलो बोल देते हैं. ट्रायल बैलेंस प्रिपेयर्ड बाय Vallabh, ये LLABH, Vallabh is as follows. If any errors lies in it, prepare a modified trial balance and given the reasons for it. ओ बाबा, इसमें क्या क्या देखो, 1,93,500, 1,93,500 दोनों साइड का टोटल ट्रायल बैलेंस बना के दोनों साइड का इक्वल कर दिया, लेकिन तो भी अंदर में कोई मिस्टेक हो सकता है. बोला कि एक स्टूडेंट ट्रायल बैलेंस बनाया, आप चेक करो डेबिट का डेबिट में लिखा है कि क्रेडिट का क्रेडिट में लिखा है तो ठीक है, नहीं लिखा है तो करेक्ट करो. उसने तो दोनों साइड को उल्टा पल्टा लिख के 1,93,500 कर दिया, लेकिन आपको चेक करना है. कैसे चेक करना है देखो, कहाँ दिस इज कैपिटल, हाँ चलो ये डेबिट साइड में लिखा है, क्रेडिट साइड में लिखा. अब ये डेबिट साइड का चेक कर लेते हैं, कौन कौन डेबिट साइड में जो आना चाहिए उसने ठीक लिखा कि नहीं लिखा. ओपनिंग स्टॉक डेबिट में आना चाहिए, सेल्स डेबिट में नहीं आना चाहिए. सेल्स इज ऑलवेज क्रेडिट, यहाँ गलत हो गया. सो दिस विल गो टू द क्रेडिट साइड्स. Sales return is debit, correct. Wages salary debit, correct. Bill receivable debit, correct. Debtors is debit, rent is debit, cash is debit. Creditors wrong. Creditors should go to the which sides? Credit sides. Understand or not? Closing stock, it should not come. Capital, credit में है. Discount allow, debit, ये डेबिट में जाएगा. रॉन्ग साइड्स. कमीशन रिसिप्ट क्रेडिट, करेक्ट. फिक्स्ड एसेट्स डेबिट में जाएगा, रॉन्ग, गलत है. परचेज डेबिट में जाएगा, गलत है. परचेज रिटर्न क्रेडिट में जाएगा. कैरेज इनवर्ड डेबिट में जाएगा. कैरेज आउटवर्ड डेबिट में जाएगा. बिल्स पे बिल्स, करेक्ट. और इंटरेस्ट पेड डेबिट में जाएगा. दैट मीन्स देयर इज अ लॉट्स ऑफ मिस्टेक्स इज गिवन, so that you have to correct it. I will tell you one more thing, just 1 minute you wait. This is question number 6. Question number 6. There is opening stock is 6,000. See that what answer I told, same thing it is given everywhere. Only one thing you keep in mind, just answer without seeing I told. Now I want to show the answer from your book. The question number 6, this is a question 6. It is importance questions. Why I will tell you, the debit side and credit side, whatever the student is written, that you made it, correct it. Some of the things which comes in the credit side is written debit side. Sales डेबिट में लिखा है लेकिन क्रेडिट में जाएगा. क्रेडिटर्स डेबिट में लिखा है, क्रेडिट में जाएगा. जैसे इंटरेस्ट पेड डेबिट में, क्रेडिट में लिखा है, डेबिट साइड में जाएगा. परचेज क्रेडिट में लिखा है, डेबिट साइड में जाएगा. लाइक दैट आई टोल्ड, ओपनिंग स्टॉक, सेल्स रिटर्न, वेजेस, बिल्स रिसीवेबल, डेटर्स, रेंट, कैश, डिस्काउंट अलाउ, फिक्स्ड एसेट्स, फर्नीचर, कैरेज इनवर्ड, कैरेज आउटवर्ड, इंटरेस्ट पेड, ये सब डेबिट है. सेल्स, क्रेडिटर्स, कैपिटल, कमीशन रिसिप्ट, परचेज रिटर्न, बिल्स पेबल, ये सब क्रेडिट है. अभी इसका एक चीज़ ध्यान रखना है, ये जो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ ₹34,800 इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, दैट क्लोजिंग स्टॉक इट विल नॉट कम आइदर इन द डेबिट साइड और इट इज इन द क्रेडिट साइड. दैट यू कीप इट माइंड. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक इन योर क्वेश्चन 34,800 which is given, it should not be written either in the debit side or it is in the credit sides. Baki amount you have to write it here. After writing all, after correcting all, you will find out the total. If you make the total, it said coming 1,79,600, and if you make the total, it is said 1,79,600 is not coming. 7,000 less will come. Which side less is coming, that side will come suspense account. Suspense account is indicating there is a mistake somewhere, either in the journal or in the ledger, because both the sides are not coming equal. This is coming 179,600. If you add this side, you will get 172,600. If you add this side, you will get 172,600. So you wrote one suspense account of ₹7,000 to make the total both the side equal. What is called suspense account? Whenever you are not getting both the sides equal, which side is less and how much is less, that you write suspense account and you close this one. That indicating there is a mistakes, the trial balance both the sides are not equal, so there is a mistakes either in the journal or in the ledger. Later on we will correct it. For time being, we have to do the, sometimes it happens that immediately we have to do the final account. You are not getting the time to correct it. You have to not getting the time to search where you have done the mistakes, but you have to do the final account. So by taking these mistakes, it is known to you. By taking these mistakes, you are doing the final account, and after that, when you will get the time, and you will correct it. Next, one more video, I will tell you details about this chapter, how to do the trial balance. Hope you are understanding. Even though I want to tell you, if you have any doubt in any place, you are always welcome. I will tell you, if you watch my video at least 2 or 3 times, you will not have much doubt. You may have doubt, you clear your doubt, ask me any doubt at any time. Okay, bye. All the best.